With FTQ360, you can assign a reason code and a corrective action code to your deficiencies. Reason codes are classifications that describe the cause for a particular deficiency. This could include such things as plan and design errors, product or manufacturer errors, installation errors, and subcontractor damage. Corrective action codes are categories that relate to the action taken to remedy the issue and prevent it from recurring. This can include actions such as training, red lines, product replacement, and standardized procedures updates. Once you're assigning reason codes and corrective action codes to your deficiencies, you can review that data by using dashboards or running data queries. The reason code deficiencies by reason/correction trends dashboard ranks the deficiency count by code titles, so you can see how many errors have been reported for each type within the time frame. The reason code deficiencies by checklist/checkpoint dashboard allows you to drill down into a reason code to see how many occurrences there are per checklist and per checkpoint. By using reason codes and corrective action codes, you can group past deficiencies together to see how often a type of deficiency is occurring. To add reason codes and corrective action codes to your deficiencies, go to Setup, Customization, Common Checklist Items, then select reason codes or corrective action codes from the process menu. This screen will show you a list of codes. The code title is entered into the description field, and the notes field allows for a broader explanation of the code. Codes can be assigned to all checklist categories or to one specific category. To add additional codes, click the blue Add button, type the code title in the description field, and then click Save. This allows you to organize and utilize your reason code and corrective action code data to take your quality program to the next level.